I found this quote the other day, and it reads, "A home should be more than just something pretty to look at. Our home should inspire us every day to live the life we dream of and aspire to." Today, I want to share some homemaking inspiration with you on creating a home we love, especially for those new homemakers, maybe those young homemakers and young moms that are just starting out, to encourage you in loving and creating an inviting space for your home. A beautiful home starts with nourishing our families in the morning, and I love the farm fresh eggs I can get, and I always have those ready for my family. I also think it is key to take care of our pieces that we use daily, like our cast iron and our utensils and our sinks and those daily things we use. So making sure that I clean my cast iron correctly, that I grease it up so it's ready for the next use, because that is something I use multiple times a day. So just caring for the pieces that we use that are going to last a lifetime, like cast iron does, is very important, and just shows that I love my home in that I take care of the pieces I use. For those new moms or those stay-at-home homemakers, taking time to spend with your children in the morning hours, reading books, playing games, this time will go fast. I am expecting my third in May, and I'm trying to cherish the moments I have with my two toddlers right now, and just enjoying these sweet moments of reading, sitting on the couch together, and just remembering the times that I can do that with them without interruption. Baking and cooking from scratch healthy foods. So this is a sourdough applesauce bread that will be up on my blog, hopefully coming soon. I'm testing it here for you guys. And making food that is healthy and delicious that kind of goes with the breakfast thing, like I said. But again, just loving our families, creating an inviting home is cooking foods that we love, that can be well fed to our children, to our spouse, to our guests, and just enjoying the process along the way. Don't do it begrudgingly, but enjoy the steps it takes to whip this healthy, quick bread up. Satisfaction you receive from making something that turns out well and that you can cut into and serve up hot and fresh is something that makes homemaking all the more worth it. Take the moments you have to do some cleaning. I do have a cleaning schedule that I really appreciate and love following, and I did a blog post about it. I did a YouTube video about it, but taking the time to clean certain areas of your home each day. Today is a kitchen day, so I am taking time to clean while my girls are eating that bread and coloring afterwards. Just do a little cleaning of what I typically do for my kitchen. And so having a cleaning schedule, I highly recommend, and just creates a more inviting space, knowing that you took care of this place. You took a few moments to wipe some cabinets and the windows down, and you get to wipe down the chairs, the toddlers' chairs, and all the spaces that get grimy in a week's time. So just caring for this space in this way, setting a routine, making sure you create the time to do these tasks is important as a homemaker. Add some beauty and change up your space. So it is time for me to put out a few touches of spring. Yes, we are getting a snowstorm actually on this particular day, but I wanted to add some tulips, some different florals, some more spring-like touches, because March is just around the corner. Doesn't mean in South Dakota we're not going to get 2 or 3 more months of some cold and winter type weather, but just making this space a place that feels cozy, inviting, and fresh to you, whether that mean keeping your winter decor up longer, changing it out to spring early, just enjoying those moments. And I am doing this during my girls' nap time, so something I'm enjoying, I am doing when my kids are asleep. And if you have kids, I highly recommend doing this. Work on something creative during this time. If you are another blogger or YouTuber like myself, take that time to work on those things you enjoy. Learn to cook with some unique things. So this sourdough starter is over 3.5 years old, but I feed it daily. I use it, if not daily, every other day. And so I am prepping it for our sourdough pancakes that we'll be having tonight for supper. Just learn to use something different in your home and cook with so that you can get better at that skill. Laundry daily, that is part of my daily cleaning routine. Whether it be just folding some sweaters after you did your laundry in the morning, but getting those tasks done that take time just makes the space more loved and cared for. Yes, it takes time, and yes, it can be tedious sometimes, but we're caretakers of our homes, and this is part of caring for our home. I will often pull out my fine china and use those loved dishes as daily use. I don't just keep them stored away for when guests arrive or special occasions. Yes, it's breakfast night tonight, like I said, but we pulled out the pretty fine china that was given to me by my husband's grandma, and we are using it for pancakes and eggs tonight for supper. And I just think you need to do that as a homemaker. Enjoy those special little things that make good memories. Again, finishing up with cleaning the kitchen. So this is the heart of the home, and I like to have my kitchen set and ready and refreshed for the next day. So this is a little deeper clean because it is my kitchen cleaning day. But when I wake up, I want to come out to my kitchen and have it ready for what I'm going to be doing for the next day. And I think making sure you have a space that you enjoy and see as clean, rid of toys, it's set and ready and refreshed, and just welcoming and inviting and appealing to your eyes. That is important as a homemaker, and for our souls and for our minds, and for creating a welcoming and homey space. Yes, you did see a nice love tap from my husband, but setting the table has been something I have been doing the night before for breakfast. It's one less task that I have to do for breakfast. And again, using that fine china, freshening up with a new towel, and just again, getting everything done, surfaces cleared off, and putting dirty laundry in the wash, and just getting it set for the day. Enjoy those quiet moments. Girls are in bed. I'm lighting some candles around the home, and yes, even in the bedroom. So I hope as a homemaker you feel encouraged today. You can create a space you love and try some new things in your home. Love you guys.